Hi, beautiful people. How are you all doing today? I'm so happy to engage with you all once again on this platform, and I hope you are happy also to engage with me. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your engagement in my YouTube channel. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for sharing with your contacts. And please keep on doing that because, it encourages me and it also makes you a part of this, change making, platform to ensure that there are joy, happiness, peace, and organization in relationships and marriage. Okay, let's talk about something very important. So let's talk about secrets to ensuring that you have a beautiful, peaceful, and organized home. Number one, you really need to make sure that you have time and you're intentional about appreciating your spouse. Now, this is for both women and men. Anybody likes appreciation, okay? So, see it as a point of duty to always appreciate your spouse, okay? Look at your husband or your partner and say, wow, you look handsome today. Or, wow, you look so beautiful, baby girl, okay? Look at their appearance, appreciate them, appreciate their body, appreciate their build, appreciate their face, appreciate even their teeth. Appreciate the clothes they put on, okay? And most importantly, appreciate their efforts, all right, in making the relationship work, okay? And also in keeping the home. Appreciate it. It's very important. It's very important, especially for the women, all right? Men, learn to be very, very intentional about appreciating your wife's looks, all right? Tell her every morning that she is so beautiful, that no woman compares to her. Tell her she is the apple of your eyes. Tell her she's everything, all right? All of those things, have a way of making her look healthy, making her look more beautiful, making her even more active, all right? In life events, it's very important. We call it common, all right, in these parts of the world. But this is very, very essential. And we must learn how to start doing that from today. Now, secondly, be intentional about creating time for your spouse. Oh my God, this is the heat of it. We are so engaged, so busy with our work schedules, with our business schedules, that we often forget that this is very, very important. Making out time for your spouse, all right? And, have this peaceful time alone together, talking to just one another, looking at each other's eyeballs and giving a broad smile. It's very necessary. In fact, it increases one's lifespan. I will tell you how some other time, okay? But this is very necessary and I'm serious about it. Create time for your wife. Create time for your husband. Just be alone. Talk about everything together, all right? Plan for your family. Plan for your children. Plan for yourselves, okay? Tell yourself, this is what I want to achieve this year. This is what I want to achieve in the next 5 years. These are my objectives. These are my roadmaps. And these are your roles and responsibilities and to helping me achieve this. Talk to each other about this. It is very, very necessary. And it will help a lot in making your relationship beautiful and very organized. Now to the men, learn how to give your spouse money. I think you need to check out my video on, how to ensure that what your money does to your woman. I have a video on that. Please go back to that video and watch it. Give her money. No matter what she earns, no matter her career, give her money. That's your money, no matter how little it is. It's like 1 trillion naira to women. I'm telling you the honest truth. We appreciate it a lot. So learn to give her money. It boosts her enthusiasm. It makes her trust you. It makes her feel that she is worth, your sweat. Because like I mentioned in that video, your money, is a product of your sweat, right? You put in time, energy, and all of that to, make that money, and you're giving her a part of it. It also goes a long way to tell her, look, girl, you are part of my life, and I appreciate you. All right, so do that, and you will see the relationship will have a huge turnaround positively, and you will enjoy life with your spouse. All of these three are principles. They are classic principles that will enjoy your relationship. I am so happy that you listen to this. Please keep listening to all my videos and share with your contacts. I'm still your girl Happy, and I wish you happy. Bye.